Hi y'all, this is the Caddy Bass. I'm Katie,
I'm Steven.
and we're gonna start with some basics that will help you to start out fishing.
I'm going to show you how to tie a simple knot. We're going to start out with some yarn. It'll show you how to actually tie the knot, and then we'll go to some monofilament. Alright? Out with, you've got your eyelet, which we're going to use this magnet here to simulate the eye of the hook, and the yarn to simulate the monofilament. What you want to do, you can go up or down either way you want, is you want a good amount of each end. What you're going to do is you're going to twist it 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now you notice you've got a loop here. Alright, and then you've got your free end. What you want to do is keep this line tight and take your free end and come through this loop here.
Yarn's a little tricky.
It's a little easier with monofilament. The end of this yarn is frayed since I cut it. Alright, now once you go through that one loop, what you want to do is you want to bring it back through this loop that you just made. Alright, bring it through here, and you're going to pull it tight. Alright, and you see how it lines up. Once it lines up like this, what you want to do is cinch it down tight to your hook. And you're not going to break the yarn. But what you're going to do is you're going to cinch it down tight to the hook, alright? And that's your simple knot. Now we're going to go to showing you on the monofilament what it actually should look like and how it'll come out, alright? So you got a simple, we're just using a simple J-hook here. It'll work with any hook. I've got some thicker monofilament so that you can see what I'm actually doing, alright? So you come up through the eye, alright? And we're going to twist. I like to twist with the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alright? And again, you want to keep this. You want to keep the tension tight with the hook. It becomes hard to find that stuff. And you're going to come up through your loop. Now, actually, I'm going to use this since I'm trying to demonstrate. Alright? You're going to come up and go through your loop. And back through here, through your other loop. Alright. And you can pull tight, and you can cinch it down. Tight. Now this knot will hold. It will not, this knot will not slip free. Alright, I have used this all the time fishing. Every knot I tie on my hooks, I use this knot. I have never had this knot come loose. I've used a couple other knots, they've come loose. This one is the most simple to tie, and it does not come loose. It bites down on itself. And what I want to show you is that's what it's going to look like when it's done. Just going to zoom in for you so you can see what it looks like. Alright. And when you're done tying this knot, what you want to do is you want to cut off the excess line as close to the knot as you can so you're not having that float around, especially if you're using it on a lure. And that is one simple knot to tie for fishing. Hope you learned something. Alright, so there's your a simple knot to tie for fishing. Kind of universal, you can use it on pretty much anything. There are other knots for like running different catfish lines with multiple hooks and all that. We'll go over those later. If you learned something, please hit like and subscribe to our channel, and we will be putting up more videos of our adventures between hiking, kayaking, and more fishing videos.
And you will actually get to hear me talk more.